In this video, I am just giving you an insight of a brand new loading dock in the process of construction building. Take a look. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, Laga. So this right as the way we are inside the building. We're 2 floors underground. And yes, the building it's a loading dock. You know, like the trucks then back up and the trucks are gonna be back. It's gonna be a massive loading dock. So it starts from this side and it works all the way over. Let me show you, can see. All this section here, so yes, this foam is going to be a loading dock. Now they put the foam. Now if you notice, you're seeing all this foam. The purpose of the foam is to compensate for the concrete. Because the loading dock is going to be about 4 feet tall. So all this is gonna be the loading dock with 2 floors underground. So you see all these electrical pipes that me run. All this is gonna be covered in concrete. All these pipes you see on the floor. Over here there's gonna be a bathroom plumbing system. So you can see the plumber's pipe. This is gonna be a toilet. That's gonna be a drain. This right there, sir, that's gonna be like a drain in the bathroom floor. Those gonna be face basins, like the drain for the face basins. Yeah, man. If you look down there, so you can see the ramp where the guy walking. That's the ramp to come downstairs underground into the basement. Yeah. So as I can say, all over here, so it's going to be a massive loading dock. If you look up, alright, it's 2 loading docks in this basement. So I'm going to show you another one that completed already. And the same thing where you see with the foam and the pipes them underneath and all these things. That's how this one was initially, but this one is completed. Let me show you. I'm walking over to show you, so you can see. Hold on. Now over here, so is the second loading dock that was completed already. Hold on a second. You see you have the ramp that goes up on the loading dock. So like, what's up, man? Yeah, so like right here, so it's gonna be what I want. This section, huh? Videoing. Yeah, I'm doing it for a friend of mine. He likes to see the construction stuff, you know. Yeah. 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 You can't really see too well because so many debris in the way. But if you notice, alright, if you notice right, that's a logger. You see the concrete. You notice how high the concrete is. This concrete is like maybe.
I need elbows.
Alright, I'm gonna take you in yeah, maybe about 15 minutes. Oh, they're moving fast. Alright, I'm coming. I'm gonna do it right now. Let me get my tools, okay? Yeah, Laga right, I saw one of the loading dock with the trucks back in. You can see the area between this wall here, sir, and this wall where the trucks back up to the loading dock. Inside here, so there's gonna be an automatic lift gate, which not put in yet. But if you notice this raised platform, inside of this raised platform, we see all this blue foam. That's what's inside here. That's to compensate for the space, so they don't have to use as much concrete. Alright. Yeah, so this whole area downstairs is a loading dock area for trucks for the future. You know? And as I said, with 2 floors underground inside of this inside of one of the building them. When we show you yesterday. Anyway, I have to go do some work. Look at more. Yeah, so the driveway there to go up. So if you follow that driveway, you go all the way up. You go back to the street, round the corner. Alright.